is a founding pillar of the Patriots, a founding leader of the Patriots. We are going to be having
of the group of Patriots, and also to condole Chief Adebanjo's family. Chief Adebanjo was a man that I always called fondly my Egbon. The passing of Chief Adebanjo is the virtual end of an epoch in Nigeria's history. An epoch of true nationalists who worked for a united, independent, and progressive Nigeria. He was a disciple of one of the three founding fathers of our modern Nigeria, and he remained, and here I mean the same Chief of Babalola. Chief Adebanjo remained to the very end of his life loyal to his leader and his leader's legacy of campaign for a true federalist Nigeria, in which the country's different ethnic component parts can live in harmony, unity, and progressive development. Like his leader, he paid the personal price of imprisonment in the turbulent political years in the period immediately after our independence. Chief Adebanjo had an unshakable belief in the capacity of Nigerians and Nigeria's different ethnic groups to live in one united and harmonious country. If, and here I say a big if their diversity is constructively addressed in the country. This, I believe, was his reason for becoming a leading member of the Patriots, which, as you may know, is a group of experienced Nigerians who are committed to promoting the adoption of a national constitution that, unlike our extant 1999 constitution, is structured to achieve equity and inclusiveness within the Nigerian polity. Chief Adebanjo was a man of principle and great integrity. He was a colossus of the Afenifere, and being a true nationalist, he led Afenifere in promoting collaboration with the leaders of other cultural groups in the country. Other cultural groups, such as the Ohanese and Igbo, the Pandef, the Middle Belt Forum, and Arewa. His leading role in the 2014 National Conference confirmed him as an indefatigable champion of national unity through an appropriate national constitution. I shall treasure the memory of my close association with my Egbon in the meetings of the Patriots and in the work of the selection committee of the Afe Babalola Leadership Prize, of which I am also the chairman. Chief Adebanjo seldom missed the meetings of the Patriots and was always very passionate in his advocacy of a new constitution which, by realistically addressing the country's diversity, would best ensure peace, unity, and stability in Nigeria. Notwithstanding his advanced age, Chief Adebanjo never failed to attend our meetings of the selection committee of the Afe Babalola Leadership Prize, which were normally held in KENNETH OKONKWO. His contributions to our deliberations were always helping the committee on the path of the principles and attributes of Chief of Afe Babalola, which guided our decisions. I say to the family of Adebanjo that while the loss of a cherished husband father and grandfather would naturally be mourned. His passing is cause for celebration. We should be celebrating the life of a national leader who has left a huge legacy of unquestionable patriotism and dedication to the pursuit of a Nigeria founded on equity, justice, and inclusiveness for all its citizens. Finally, the Patriots, and indeed our country, will miss the wise counsel of Chief Ayo Adebanjo. And so I say adieu. Adieu to the last of Nigeria's founding true patriots, and pray that the Almighty,
Excellency, Mr. Donadu, His Excellency, Mr. Donadu, also His Excellency Otumba Gbenga Daniel, I am Olawale.